Hello, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cookin', and today I'm going to show you a cool new feature that the Cookin' Elves added to Cookin' version 16. This update went out just a couple days ago, and I think it's going to blow your mind. Check this out. Here's a recipe of Kathy's, and as you can see here in her directions, she's got a little bit of a typo. Grease the pan, and this isn't really grammatically correct. Sift together flour, comma, soda, comma, and salt. It should be period. And then add to wet ingredients, right? So she's got some typos, she's got some grammatical errors here, and it's it's not professionally written, right? Most professional recipes, there's a way to write them, and she's just not a professional at this, right? So she wrote it how she reads it when she makes the recipe. But if you're going to print this in a book, if you're going to share it with a friend or a family member or something like that, you want it to look nice, right? And as you know, we have these cool new features. I'm going to move this over here so you can see. When you hover over this one, you can see that this button converts your recipe directions to numbered steps. And in this case, it doesn't rewrite them. It just takes them exactly word for word and just breaks them up into numbered steps for you, which is helpful. And this feature here, when you hover over this button, this uses elf magic to rewrite your directions as numbered steps. So in this case, the Cookin' Elves will actually fix typos, they will fix any grammatical problems, and they'll completely rewrite your directions as numbered steps. And this is the new feature that we added just a few days ago. This one uses elf magic to rewrite your recipe directions in a paragraph format. So let's give it a try and see how it does with this recipe of Kathy's here and see how it looks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click this button, and we're going to watch the elf magic in action. Fueled by snacks, elf magic is powered by cookies, tea, and very strong opinions about cinnamon. Okay, so in this case, the Cookin' Elves rewrote these directions, and now they look like a professional recipe. And this is nice. Sometimes paragraph format can be better even than numbered steps, because paragraph directions are the classic traditional way that recipes have been written for generations, right? It's what we're familiar with. And they're elegant. They work beautifully in many situations. For example, they take up less space. Maybe this is going to be 12 or 14 numbered steps, right? So in this case, it's going to take up less space, and the paragraph directions kind of flow more naturally, and they look clean and professional. So this is helpful. If you're printing a family cookbook, you might not want to take up tons of space with numbered directions. And you might want the professional look and feel of your recipe directions in a paragraph format. Just depends. It's totally up to you. And the great thing is that with this new feature here, you can choose how you want your recipe directions to appear. And you'll notice that when it did this, it fixed the typo. It spelled grease correctly. And it fixed any kind of grammatical errors. And so now it's perfect and professional looking. Man, this feature just came out a few days ago. Cookin' version 16 was released last month, and the Cookin' Elves are still adding cool new features. So Cookin' version 16 is just getting better and better and better. If you haven't upgraded to Cookin' version 16 yet, oh man, you're missing out. The Cookin' Elves are on a roll. The train is leaving the station. All aboard! Time to get with the program. And if you have upgraded to Cookin' version 16, man, we hope you love it, and keep your eyes peeled because there's more cool stuff coming out soon.